Hello guys, welcome to another SMC DAO tutorial. On today's tutorial video, I'll be showing us how to bind our email address to our getgrass.io account and also how to connect our Solana wallet to our Grass account. So before we get started, if you've been finding our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat, which is on the BSC Binance Smart Chain Network. The contract address will be on the description below. So let's get started. I open my Kiwi browser and I log on to app.getgrass.io. And you go to the reward tab. I'm already on the reward tab. So I click on start verify email address. I click on start and I have my email address here. I send the verification link. I quickly go to my Gmail and I click on confirm your email. This may take a while, but it is worth the wait to get your email address verified. Your email address has been verified successfully, so we return to the page. I'll have to refresh this so that it will reflect here in my Kiwi browser. Alright, our email address has been verified. Next up, we'll be verifying our wallet address. I click on connect wallet. And next up, we'll be verifying our wallet address, a Solana address. So I'll be using my Sofl extension. So I click on start and I click on verify. It takes me to my extension. I click on approve. The wallet has been signed. So I confirm the wallet in my email and I click on start. I send a verification link to my email address. Now let's go and confirm it. Click on verify wallet address. Wallet successfully verified. I go back to the dashboard and I refresh this. So as you can see, we've verified our email address, we've linked up a wallet address, and we've confirmed the wallet address. So to be sure if your email address has been verified, you click on this profile and up here it will show you that you've been verified, and also the wallet address you assigned has been. Thank you for watching today's tutorial video. I hope this video has been helpful. Do click on the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell for more educative contents. Thank you very much.